Welcome. In this video I will show you how to browse internet on SONY TV. First of all, make sure that you have an internet connection on your TV. Go to Settings, open All Settings menu, find Network and Internet, and make sure that you are connected to a network. After that, go to your apps library and search the default browser app, which is called Internet Browser, in your apps list. Then open it. Then you're gonna have to select some agreements. So agree to data sharing, to agree to personalized ads and things, agree to transferring bookmarks from the older browser, or disagree to all of this, and anyway you'll be able to start using your browser. Now in this browser you'll be able to use either navigate between all the websites using the style selections, or on some pages you will also be able to use your remote control as a mouse pointer. And you'll also be to navigate it, use of course your D-pad and central button on the D-pad, or the OK button to select, and this way well, you can navigate in this browser, return to go back, and if you want to fully close this browser you have to go to the three-dot icon in the top right corner, navigate down to exit browser option and then exit it. Of course here you can also go to settings, where you'll be able to change your browser startup and search engine. And besides, you also have a variety of custom browsers. So in the same apps menu, just search for any browser app. Let me just input browser in the search field. And there are a wide variety of different applications that you may use, including Google app for Android TV. We have this browser TV web, which I can see that it's quite popular on this TV. You can also check the reviews for this application and see if the browser is good or not. Just download the custom browser and start using it just like this one. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.